Assalamu alaikum friends. Today I am going to show you how to make a beautiful macrame plant hanger. So for this I need 8 macrame rope of 2 meters each. So I have taken this is 8 macrame ropes and its length is 2 meters each. And then I have taken 2 macrame ropes with half a meter each, and I've taken a ring and few beads and a clutcher I've taken to hold this entire thing. So let's get started. First of all, I have to pass the whole macrame rope through this ring. I have to divide this rope equally. I have to pass in such a manner so that in both the sides should be same, like this. So you can see I have passed all the ropes, and the next thing is now I have to tie a knot here. So I have taken the rope of half meters and I've made a loop here, and then I'll just twist it around all the ropes. I'll twist it tightly, and see friends, now the small portion which is left I have to pass through this loop which you can see here, and after passing it I have to just pull it from the top. Now it's ready, and the extra portion has to be cut so that it can look clean and tidy. Now the next thing is I have to make spiral knot first. So I'm attaching it with this clutcher. It will hold everything, leaving a few portions. First I'll not start from the top. So friends, I have divided each rope into 4 sections. So there are total 16 sections. So I have divided each into 4, and with the help of these 4 ropes I will make my spiral knot. So you have to take a rope only from one side in this type of knot. Just take a rope from one side and pass it to the another side and gather a knot. Look, just take this, and you have to take rope from other side and then pass it to the another side. Again make a loop. Now just pull other macrame rope from another side, twist it. Look, see, I'm twisting it, and I'm passing it from the other side. So you can see friends how I'm doing it. Once you start doing, you can understand it very easily. Now it's time to place my beads in the middle section. So leaving the two extreme side, I have to pass the bead from these two macrame rope. So in this manner I have to just, it will be easily passed through this. So look, I have passed it easily, and then again I have to make the knot. Look, I am making it. Look how beautiful it's looking. So similarly I have to make on all the rest 3. So friends, similarly I have to make the same spiral knot here, and the distance should be same from the top. So I have to take one rope from right side, and then I'll pass it over left and then pull it. This is the thing you have to do only. Just make a loop, and from right side pass the rope onto that loop and just gather a knot. So quickly I'll finish this. Look friends, I'm making a loop, and then from right side, only from one side I'm passing the macrame rope to that loop, and then I'm gathering a knot. Look how beautiful it's curling. So I'll make altogether 10 knots, and then I'll place the bead. So I'm leaving the right and left extreme of macrame rope, and from the mid one I'm passing the bead, and I'm placing it in the center. Friends, I'm using beads because it looks beautiful. And then again I have to make the knot. So you saw how easily it's done. So similarly I'll just finish my last one. So I finished the last one, and now what I have to do, now I'll make a net like pattern. So I have to leave the two extreme portions of left and right, and then I have to gather four macrame rope, and then again I have to make a square knot this time. So leave the far two ends, and then gather knot. So I have left the far two portions, and then I am making a square knot. In case of square knot, you have to take macrame rope from both the sides, first from right, then from left. Friends, I have taken, you can see, uh, I made a loop like structure, and then from one side I am passing the rope to that loop, and similarly again I am doing the same thing. And this from the left side, one time from the right side, and one time from the left side, because this is square knot, so it's quite different from the spiral knot. So once you have to take from right side, then you have to take from left side, and that's it. You have to gather the knot. Now friends, what I'll do, I made almost my work is complete. Only one knot I have to tie. So I'll take the far two ends which I have left earlier, the left and right far two ends, and I'll just club it together, and similarly I'll make a square knot. I'll take one row from right side and one from the left side. So quickly I'll finish it off. You can see once I'm taking from the right side, and then I'm taking it from the left side. So it's cage like pattern, so you can see it's looking as if it's a type of net. And again I'll make a square knot. Now I'll assemble four macrame rope so that it can make a pattern like structure, cage like structure. So I'm just making square knot which I had made earlier, one row from the right side and one from the left side, and then tying it. Now it's over, friends. I have made all the knots. Now the last thing is I have to gather all the macrame rope and I have to tie it. So friends, I have taken another macrame rope of half meter length which I am using it. So I'll tie the knots in the same manner which I had tied earlier at the top. So I'll make a loop and I'll gather all the ropes properly in my hand, and then I will twist it tightly. I'll do, and look friends, and this the loop which is left from that I'll pass this rope, and from the top I'll just pull it, and then I'll cut it from the scissor, and here also I'll cut it properly so that it can look beautiful. So evenly I'll cut it. Look, it's done. My macrame hanger is ready. Look friend, this is my macrame hanger, and I have placed a flower pot here. So friends, isn't it easy? So if you really like my plant hanger, then write in my comment section, and if you like my video, then subscribe my channel. Take care, bye.